In this video, we'll show you the creating of a process sheet. Click on Reports. HTML file is being opened. We can see the total cycle time. Also, each operation's cycle time is shown. Also, here we can see the drawing of tools, just for understanding. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.